Hello everyone, welcome to our video tutorial about dealing with formatted cells. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to format cells with dates and percentages. So to begin, we are going to enter a date in cell B2. So we select the cell and we put our date, which is 6th of May 2020. So after typing the date, you can press the enter key to move to the next line. Now our interest is on this cell B2, so we can click to select it. It is showing that what we have there is the date. But when you delete these contents from this cell B2 and you put there some other number, this cell now will not bring for you the number. For instance, if you would like to perform some calculation and you use this very cell, then you will not be in a position to do so. So let's delete the contents from this cell B2. After selecting, press on the backspace key once. So after pressing, you can now type there some figure. Let's say we put 200 like that and press enter. So when you press enter, what we had put there was 200, but it has now changed into a date. So this is what we call a formatted cell. So cells that are formatted with dates will not allow you to perform any calculation. How do I know that a cell is formatted with a date? Besides deleting this, so when you click in this cell, you can now go to the home tab, but under the number group, you will see this option showing you date, indicating that our active cell, which is cell B2, is formatted to hold only dates. This means that if we want this cell to handle only numbers but not dates, we shall go to the number group and change that format from date to general. To do that, we shall use this, the more option arrow, we click on it, then we select this option for general. So we click on general. When you click on general and look into our cell, it has now changed from the date to the other number 200, which we had inserted in that cell. This therefore means that we have to always remember the formatted cells that we have included in our worksheet. Otherwise, we shall not be in position to perform any calculations. Now let us look at how we can format cells to hold percentages. So we shall use this column for E and we use E2. So we select that cell E2 and put 1. You press enter. Now some people will always just come and click on that cell so that they make it a percentage. So when you click on this cell and you want to format it to percentage, and you just go direct to this percentage option and click on it, you realize that what you had put as 1 has now changed to 100. Excel automatically multiplies that cell by 100. So that's why we see what we had put as 1 has now changed to 100%. Even when you continue and type maybe 20, and you press enter, we select this cell and say we want to convert it to percentage to give us 20%. So when you select the percentage symbol, it will give you 2000%, which is not what you want. Therefore, what are we supposed to do? So what we are supposed to do is to start by formatting the cells that we want to hold percentages. How do we do that? For instance, if you want cell F2 to F5 to have on a percentages that when I put 1, I see 1%. You first select those cells, then you go to the Home tab, go under the Numbers group and click on the percentage symbol. So when you click on the percentage symbol up here, they will show us that our active cells are now formatted for percentages only. So what we shall do now is to try. We select our first cell here and we put 1. When you press enter, it will still show you it is 1%. If you put here 20 and press enter, even before you press, you can see the percentage symbol already there. How about if we put 100? So when you put 100, it will also show you percent. Press enter. So that is how you can format cells to handle percentages. But do not type in the values, then after you click on the percent symbol. What will happen is Excel will multiply that cell by 100, and that's what happened when we did that in these two cells. So the best way is to format the cells that you want. That starts by selecting the cells, then clicking on the percentage symbol. There you can go ahead and type in the percentages that you want, like that. You can see no changes now. Hope you found this video tutorial useful to you. That's it for now. See you in our next tutorial.